So first off, I'm just gonna show you the bag quickly. I already had an unboxing of this one, and yeah, I showed everything to you guys. Here are the straps, but I only use one strap so that I could use it as a crossbody bag. And yes, you can attach the straps and adjust it according to your need. So here's the inside of the bag, and it has card pocket inside. The zippers and the side pockets are so useful as well. This is the iPad mini 4, and it fits but doesn't close. Now let's get started. These are the things that I usually bring, like my everyday essentials. So this is the lipstick from NYX. I usually put it on the side pocket so I could easily take it in and out and use it. And my Chanel card holder, just right inside there, and my pouch from Primark, which has all my essentials, lotions, medicine, and some perfume. And then the alcohol, I put it on the other side pocket. And some mints, tried putting in on the front pocket. And my compact from L'Oreal, and some tissues, and key clay, which has my coins. And this is my iPhone 6. It fits perfectly inside, but now I'm using my iPhone 8 Plus, and it fits perfectly inside as well. And my power bank, small power bank, it's just an emergency power bank, and my iPhone cord. Looks like this, and car keys and house keys. There are lots of space on top, which you can squeeze more things, or maybe you can put the alcohol inside the bag, just like so, and there's no bulging or anything. So yeah, this bag is quite compact. I love it. So the next one, we will try using my mini pochette accessoire. I transferred all my essentials in here: my compact powder, lipstick, medicine, and the iPhone cord, and it fits perfectly inside. Let's try using this Louis Vuitton wallet, and it fits inside perfectly, and also the Hermes Bastia coin purse, as well as my power bank and sunglasses and some tissues. iPhone 8 Plus fits inside, but when you close the bag, it's a bit distorted because of the sunglasses, so I might take that off. So let's try putting the keys in here with the mints inside a zip pocket, and it fits. So with the sunglasses, it's distorted. I'll take it out and will not put it in there. So this is how it looks like. So again, I'm still gonna use the mini pochette. I'm just gonna exchange a Louis Vuitton wallet into my Gucci Blooms wallet, and I'll add a card holder in it, and just put the power bank, the tissues, and iPhone 8 Plus, and looks like this. You still have space on top, and if I'm gonna squeeze in another key clay on top, it fits perfectly like so. So just for the record, the Canon camera fits inside this bag with the essentials that I put in the mini pochette and the Gucci blossoms. I took off the key clay, and if I'm gonna squeeze everything in, it fits. But if you're gonna use like a small amount of essentials, you'll have more space on it inside the bag. So yeah, I think this is a really nice bag, an all-around bag, very compact, and I love it. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, have a nice day.